See that green and blue bridge over there? Well, I should say bridges. That's how I usually come across if I'm going to take this route. You bypass most of the traffic and stores of Ashland, Kentucky, because that's basically where we are right now.
Hey, how you doing? It's Pat here. I am on my way to Tennessee the first week of April because we have got an amazing week of 70+ degree weather coming. Stick around, stay tuned, and let's find out where we end up.
Oh, and just as a side note, 4 hours after leaving the house, I finally saw my first other motorcycle today.
Welcome back. I had a nice intro filmed at the Green Up locks on the Ohio side of the Ohio River, but my wonderful iPhone is recording in HDR and that video got all messed up, so we're kind of stuck with this impromptu intro. I decided to take US 23 most of the way from Columbus, Ohio, all the way down to Knoxville, Tennessee. Here on the right is a nice war memorial to all the veterans out there. They have things all the way from World War II era all the way up through Vietnam. If you get a chance, stop. It's a pretty neat place.
This is one of the reasons if I'm going to just travel on a 4-lane and just make miles, I kind of like 23. Outside of the small towns you go through, it's a lot like this the whole way. Hey, welcome to day 2. Just had breakfast here at the Dinner Bell Restaurant and General Store. I'll post some pictures here. And it was a really good breakfast. I got a huge pancake, 4 slices of bacon, coffee for just under $9. And it's set up a lot like a Cracker Barrel, if you've ever been to one of those wonderful places. Anyway, today I was going to follow a route I had all set up, but a local told me I should really go check out the town of Reliance. So today is a freestyle day. Who knew I'd end up in the Cherokee National Forest? Alright, believe it or not, we're in Reliance. First thing I'm going to do is go across that bridge that probably don't show up on camera right now. Wow. You know what? Change that. We're just going to go make a U-turn up here at this old Texaco. Check that out, the post office. Okay, now we're going to go across the bridge.
No, I didn't pause the video here. That is one of those wonderful Hero 7 lockups that I've never been able to figure out why it does this every now and then. If anybody has a clue, throw something in the comments for me. Thanks.
Look at this old trestle. This is just cool. It's actually wood still. It says it's an active railroad according to that sign up there. Well, that would be cool just to see.
Yeah, I found out later this active railway must be a tourist line because there's a train parked on these tracks, so there's no trains coming through right now.
Man, if a train would come across right now, that would be awesome. Wow.
Yeah, bear with me here. I'm really new to this whole drone thing, so I'm not smooth and cinematic like some guys are.
Well, I have no idea where I'm about ready to go other than this way. Yep, it's official. I'm going this way. I mean, there's all kinds of roads according to GPS, so I don't know what we're going to find. Okay, why do we have a helipad way the heck out here in the middle of nowhere?
Look what I found just laying alongside the road.
Well, I found a gravel road in Tennessee, can you believe it? I really don't know where I am. I mean, you see a lot of these little roads off the left like that, and they're actually people's driveways, so it's kind of unnerving being back here. I really don't want to trespass and make anybody mad. So far, so good. I don't know what way to go. I guess I'm just going to kind of go straight. Baptist church up here. I am literally just taking random turns. Truly have no idea where I am. But as long as I can find gas within the next 150 miles, I'm okay.
Unfortunately, I didn't have my forward camera run at the same time as my rear camera here. But that section right there, I know it doesn't appear to be on video, but that was extremely deep gravel, very, very rough, and a little scary. And I also forgot to have stabilization on my rear-facing camera turned on, so sorry for that. Oh, it gets even better. This road turned out to be a dead end, and I had to go up the hill through that same patch of gravel. You'd think some idiot would turn his camera back on? Nope, he forgot again. I did learn a valuable lesson though. When you're going through the really rough stuff, put your windshield in the lowest position, because as I was kind of leaning forward going up the hill later, my helmet and my windshield decided to meet.
Well, here's a pretty sharp corner. With a lot of whoop-de-doos in it. You gotta like that. And another one with a bunch of whoop-de-doos in it. Well, unfortunately, I gotta turn around. This road was kind of a dead end, which really sucks. This is a really, really wicked section up here I gotta go back up through. Kind of blows I ran into that dead end and had to come back and redo everything. And then the worst part is, the scariest part of the road, I don't think I got it on film. At least not with the forward-facing camera. Not only did I have to go down through it, but I had to come back up it. But hey, I made it. That's what's important, right? Well, it looks like it's turned back into chip and seal for right now. But well, that sure is one remote church back there. Holy moly. hate to see all this litter. It's ridiculous. Out here in the middle of nowhere, and you gotta throw your garbage everywhere.
I just happened to stumble on this excursion train that's parked. It happens to be the same rail tracks as that trestle bridge I rode under earlier. Well, I'm not sure what happened to the audio on this particular video clip, but it's destroyed for whatever reason. But what I was saying is, after stumbling on that train, I just kept going in the same direction and happened to stumble on this great gravel road. And that road led me to many wonderful sites like this river right here. And a bunch of camping sites.
Not the vehicle I would choose for this pothole-strewn road, but it'll make it. I do believe this is going to bring me back out in the little town of Reliance right by that campground, based on what the GPS looked like when I was back there at the river, taking off a layer of insulation. In the 60s now, over a 30-degree climb this morning. Whoa. Man, that's awesome, isn't it? This is what I came here for.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I thought I'd film it out here on this gravel road. Probably my last one of the trip. So if you would, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below and help me grow this channel. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video.